Good morning. Thank you for taking your time out to watch our videos here at National Gear Repair. It's one of our larger extruders that we did for one of our clients in Northern Nevada. This is a large Arron dual extruder gearbox. Not your typical twin screw. It's a dual extruder box. It's got two output shafts, two different speeds in the outputs. However, this box was sent out to a local supplier out in the Northern Nevada, Reno area a few times, and the local machine shop could not correct the issues properly. Even though that these seals have been changed several times, the gearbox kept leaking. That was obviously due to the shaft seal areas being worn, and National Gear Repair corrected the seal areas and then applied on the brand new SKF seals. This would ensure a good tight finish to OEM spec and replace the bearing seals. We re-epoxied the inside of the box. The gears was in good condition, so we just gave them a little TLC, some tender love and care. Hand polish them up. We're going to get ready to paint this box, and then we're going to do a no-load spin test on this. So please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Continue to watch the video. And National Gear offers a 24-hour emergency rush repair if needed, and we do free pickup, free delivery, and free quote nationwide. Again, thank you for watching.
The large Arron extruder arrived at our facility leaking oil from the seals and looked to be poorly maintained. Our technicians began the inspection, noting any other issues. During the inspection, a loose shim was found inside the gearbox housing. The gear set was in decent condition and would be reused after some minor repairs and polishing. All of the input and output shafts had severe wear due to improper seals being used on a prior repair. The gear set was then removed from the housing. All of the components were sent through our parts washer to ensure a clean working environment. The housing was cleaned and painted with red insulating varnish to prevent any future corrosion. The input and output shafts were repaired prior to reassembly of the gearbox. The gears and shafts were reassembled and the new bearings installed. The repaired shafts, along with the polished gears and new bearings, were then installed back into the housing. The bearings and gears were applied a coat of grease. And all the internal plumbing was reinstalled into the housing. Sealant was applied to the polished housing surfaces. The housing was then reassembled. Floats and preloads were then set to Arron specifications. The cover plates were reinstalled. And the new seals were installed. The inspection panels were then installed and sealed. All of the external plumbing was reinstalled and the gearbox tested for proper operation. The gearbox was then painted with a coat of gray enamel.